right, Chanel. You're 10 years old, but you look good for your age. You hardly have any gray on your nozzle. On your muzzle, whatever it's called. Very little. What do you think of the kitty? What do you think of TomTom? Tom is giving me the stink eye. Hey girl, you're my love. What do you think of the kitty? Pay attention to the kitty. Come on, that's my coat. Come here. Bye. There's a kitty in there. Can you please say hi? Good girl. She's stiffening up too. Okay, you don't understand. What do you think? You scared of the kitty too? You all have had bad experiences with kitties? Tom is a good kitty though. You want to say hi? Getting very still. She's hiding behind you now. That's great. Another scared dog. Tom, you're scaring him today, honey. Come on, Tommy. You didn't do it on purpose, Mom. Let it go. Come on, Chanel. Say hi to the kitty. Say hi to the kitty. Have you ever seen a kitty before? What a good girl. What a good girl. She's a good girl. Tom, what do you think, Tom? She's not keeping her eye off of him. She's getting very still. So you're prepared to yank her back, right? I don't know. Tom is not coming out. That's always not a good sign. Tom! Tom! I know you can hear me, Butter. Come here. No, he's giving the stink eye to this dog. Look at that. Do you see that? He's giving it the stink eye. Yeah, she's getting very stiff and very focused.